welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes, and I promise you, this is my last Space Jam review. Today we got the Lebron 8 Space Jam joints, and it's crazy. I went from not doing a LeBron review ever on this channel to like 4 in a row, kid. And I struck out on the Lebron 8 South Beaches. I might pay resale. I don't know. But we got the LeBron 8 Space Jams here, man. And same silhouette, of course. Different colors, different technology, different materials. So we're going to get into this in-depth review of the LeBron 8 South Beaches right now. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. I know there's a lot of debate about LeBron versus Mike. I'm a Kobe fan, by the way. But when it comes to the LeBron sneakers, they get it. We love presentation over here at Sneaker Notes. And LeBron boxes always gives that presentation. I figured the Jordan boxes don't change with presentation because it's so iconic, it's so classic. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. But I gotta give LeBron an A+, man, on his presentation of his sneakers. So you got a nice black box with a couple of it look photorized as you got LeBron there with the lion in the background. That's a lion, right? Yeah, a lion in the background. Old LeBron picture. Looks like it's from his Miami days. Could be Cleveland. Reads LeBron 8 there. Nike swoosh there. And a whole bunch of things here, including the Warner Brothers logo. Has your pull-out tab. And you have some platinum paper on the top. And here's your LeBron 8 Space Jam, A New Legacy. Now, predominantly an all-black shoe, some copper or burnt orange hits. But let's start here. Now, if you've seen the movie, this is the computerized chips that suck LeBron into the Looney Tunes world. And that's all over the sneaker. In Space Jam 1, Michael Jordan actually went through a golf hole. In Space Jam 2, A New Legacy, LeBron went through computerized chip to get inside the Looney Tune world. And that reflects all over the sneaker, and I think that's a dope look. As you see the colors changing as I move in the sneaker. You have a big LeBron 8 swoosh here, and I think that's what makes the South Beaches so dope. And you got like burnt orange, reddish, down, and start yellowing out, lightening up, and then back again to the same color. Bam. In the back of the left shoe, you have Bugs Bunny. And that goes back to what I was telling y'all with the Versus sneakers. That Bugs Bunny should be the #1 character, and I think that's why he's here on the Space Jam LeBron. I wouldn't mind if all of them was there, but if one person has to be there, definitely should be Bugs, in my opinion. You come around the inside of the sneaker and it's the same computerized chips with the same colorway. Get that to focus. It reads Flywire. I think that's the name of the technology. I'm not too sure. We have to fact check that. If you already know, comment section below, let us know down there. The toe box has a nubuck look, but it's actually hard to the touch, so you don't really have to worry about being too careful with stains. I guess it's like a brushed leather. I can't really put my finger on it right now. And right there you have another black swoosh that you can actually see even though the sneaker is black. The computerized chip here reads Space Jam in a computer font, but you can still see it. The tongue has the classic Toon Squad logo. Very dope. Comes in black shoestrings. Get this to focus. The tip of the shoestring reads Lebron 8. Your right shoe has a cartoon LeBron on the back, which is dope that they used the cartoon version. That's real dope, man. And everything else seems to be the same, besides the LeBron back there. Your insoles. It's something I never seen before. It's a stitch in there, and it reads, I'm guessing this reads LeBron James. I'm guessing that reads LeBron James. The font is very hard to make out. But yeah, I'm guessing that's what it reads. LeBron James. And it's a patent right here. I think it says WB. Guess that's the patent of the sneaker. I would be remiss if I don't tell you about the large air bubble. That's also something that make the South Beach 8s dope. The large bubble. I felt like this could have been orange, because I think on the South Beaches they're pink. But it's still a large air bubble nonetheless. All the way around the sneaker. Your bottom is just in a, I think it's in a glow in the dark look. It look like these sneakers made glow in the dark. Actually, let's see if we could do it. Yes, sir. So the sneaker does have a glow in the dark look. As you can see, I'm hitting it with the black light. Dope, 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 dope. Now, I remember in my last video, or last couple of videos, I was crying that I missed out on the Toon Squad shorts. But shortly after uploading a video, Nike sent me an email and said they back. So I got them, guys. The Toon Squad shorts are secured. And it's crazy because I didn't want them shorts until I saw the movie, man. But the LeBron 8 South Beaches is a clean shoe. In my opinion, besides the versus joints like the Sylvester versus Tweety and the Road Runner versus Coyote, all those things, the LeBron 8s is one of the more easiest LeBrons to wear. His LeBrons are starting to be like for the court only, but these ones right here is a lifestyle shoe, man. I love the way they incorporated Bugs Bunny. I love the way they put LeBron as the cartoon. I love the Toon Squad logo, original. This is a nice sneaker, man. In that comment section below, let me know if you was able to cop. Seems like the Space Jam marketing is finally going down.
Toon Squad on 3. 1, 2, 3.
But LeBron did it, man. Dope sneaker, man. I think right now you can actually get these on StockX for a little under retail. In my opinion, that's a win. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes, man. Thanks for watching. Everybody, get rich.